Are you trying to save for a big purchase, pay off debt, or just want to live a more sustainable lifestyle? In this video, we are going to show you 6 life hacks to live a more frugal life and save money. Frugal living is a lifestyle that focuses on being mindful of your spending and finding ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. It's all about making smart choices with your money, whether it's by reducing expenses, cutting back on unnecessary purchases, or finding creative ways to stretch your budget. In this video, we'll be sharing some of our favorite frugal living hacks that can help you save money on everyday expenses. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Meal prep. One of the easiest ways to save money on food expenses is by meal prepping. You can plan out your meals for the week and prepare them in advance. This way, you avoid impulse buys and eating out, which can be quite expensive. Plus, you get to control what goes into your meals, which is a bonus for your health. Hack number 2. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money on everyday expenses, especially for items that you use frequently. For example, you can buy toiletries, cleaning supplies, and even non-perishable food items in bulk. This not only saves you money but also reduces the amount of packaging waste. Hack number 3. Use cashback apps. Cashback apps are an excellent way to save money on your purchases. There are various apps available that offer cashback on your purchases. All you have to do is scan your receipt, and you'll get some of your money back. It may not seem like a lot, but it can add up over time. Hack number 4. Ditch the gym membership. Gym memberships can be quite expensive, especially if you're not using them regularly. Instead, you can try exercising at home or going for a run in the park. There are also plenty of free workout videos available on YouTube that you can follow along with. Hack number 5. DIY projects. DIY projects can save you a ton of money on everyday expenses. Whether it's fixing something around the house or making your own cleaning supplies, there are plenty of things you can do yourself. Plus, it's a great way to learn new skills and get creative. Hack number 6. Cancel subscriptions. Subscriptions can add up quickly, and you may not even be using them regularly. Take a look at your subscriptions and cancel any that you're not using or don't need. This can include streaming services, magazine subscriptions, and even gym memberships. That's it for today's video. 6 frugal living hacks that can help you save money on everyday expenses. Remember, every little bit counts, and these tips can add up to significant savings over time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.